I'm just fascinated by the sounds of tide pools. There's a lot of clicking. It almost sounds like beads rolling. Little sounds. I'm going to get close to all these mussels and barnacles and sea cucumbers, and I'll be really quiet, and then you can see if you can hear them. Lots of little clicking sounds. It's like barnacle music. It's a band. It's so pretty here this morning. I came out at 7 o'clock just to kind of get in on the solitude of the tide pools. Low tide was like 7:30, so now it's starting to come in again. But all these rocks are exposed. I've been seeing a lot of starfish. I love it. And there's kind of I still have to head up this way. There's just a few rocks left to poke around on. And I'll do it all again tonight and tomorrow. Here's some nice little green guys down here. A lot of anemones.